If you want to send bulk messages on WhatsApp without getting banned, then this video is for you. In January 2026, WhatsApp is very aggressive for blocking your numbers when you start sending the bulk messages using any third-party softwares, whether it is complete software, Chrome extension, Excel utility, or whatever it is. So how you can get rid of this? Let me explain in this video. Also, I will provide the solution how you can send the bulk messages without getting banned. Dear friends, the Meta company, which is the parent company of the WhatsApp, has invested billions of dollars in the WhatsApp. Every smartphone user having the WhatsApp, so reaching out to the people as a customer, it's very easy using the WhatsApp. But if you have free softwares or cheap software for sending the messages, it will become the worst software or chatting software in the smartphone. So that is why WhatsApp is not allowing you to send the spam or marketing messages and in very cheap rates also. So that is why Meta company has introduced WhatsApp Business API. And I will explain in details what is WhatsApp Business API and how you can get it. We provide all the services, but you need to know what is the procedure and how you will get it, the API, and how you can use it, and how can I help you. So you will get the answer of such questions in this video. So let's get started. First thing first, we should understand what is the WhatsApp Business API. As its name suggests, WhatsApp Business API is the API, means the coding and the facility provided by the WhatsApp for sending the bulk messages. But it's a completely coding type of thing. You cannot use it directly. But as I said, it is a business WhatsApp API. It means it is not for the personal use. It is for the businesses only. So first, Meta company wants to know you must be a legal business entity. For that, you need to provide two things. First is your business license. In India, GST and the MSME certificate can be provided for getting the approval to get the WhatsApp Business API. Second is a website, a valid business API in which your address, which is mentioned in the GST certificate or the MSME certificate, is mentioned. Same address would be mentioned on the website, so that they can cross verify that you are a legal business and they will give you the access for that. So we will apply using your Facebook or the business.facebook account. Okay, so we will get the access, admin access for your account, and we will apply once it is get approved, which is a quite difficult task, but we are expertise in that. So once we will get the access for it, we need a number, a fresh number. It cannot be a used number which is already registered on the WhatsApp. It must be a fresh number. If you want to use a registered number, then you have to delete that account. Your all history, chat history will gone. Then we have to again register that account with the WhatsApp in that API. This is a mandatory thing we have to do. So three things we have learned: that we need a business license, a website, and a fresh number. Okay, then your debit or credit card will be connected with your Meta account. Okay, it will be your account, not others account or not ours account. So whenever you send any messages, they will charge you some money according to the users you are sending. So in India it is approximately 70 to 80 paisa. In UAE it is almost 4 rupees, but it is in dollars, so price may be different. So I have given the link for checking the official rate card, and you can download the PDF and you can check how much will be the per message charge. So this is one thing. And now the website you are seeing is the, once you will get the access to API, we will attach that API with this account. So I will provide you this access. So we will get, you will get the ID and password of this website. So once you logged in, you will get this dashboard. This is the main dashboard where you can see your attached devices. Devices means the mobile number and total messages we have sent pending on the total contact we have managed. The next is my devices, where we will attach our mobile numbers, and you can see my WhatsApp API number has been attached over here, and I am on the tier. If it is a new account, then we can send 1000 messages per day, but in 1 week it will become 10,000. Once we start sending the 10,000 messages per day, it becomes 1 lakh. So there is no limit of sending the messages, but that depends how many messages you are sending per day. After that, we can manage our contact book over here. So we can import or we can manage the groups. It's very easy. But main thing, we have to manage the templates, the messages we are going to send to our customers. For this, we have to manage the templates, and also we have to get the approval from the Meta. For this, we will come to that tab. It must be active. Then we have to click on view templates. So here some messages which I have already created. So basically, the messages are divided into three categories, but mainly it is to utility and the marketing. So I'm going to the Meta account where I will show you how you can add the template. So we have to click on that add template, and you can see it will move to the business.facebook.com. Okay, and you can see it is my business account, vTutorial, and we got the approval for sending the messages. It is approved. How we can check? We can go ahead over here, come to the settings, and here we have WhatsApp account. You can clearly see that it is business verification verified and account has been approved, and my credit card is also attached with that. So there are three things we need to attach that. After that, we can send the messages. And now I'm moving to my templates. I will go back. So here are the accounts we need to create. We will create on template, and you can see three type of messages we can send. Marketing, 95% messages are marketing. If you want to send, it can be informational as well. Then your utility, I'll show you the template and the type of messages covered in the utility. And authentication is for authorization. You must have seen some websites having the authorization process. So once you enter your WhatsApp account number, and once you click on that, then WhatsApp is getting code, and then you have to enter and your account get verified. So you can use for that kind of things as well. So this is the templates can be approved as a utility. So these are the templates related to the utilities, which are very short in the text. So if your message get approved under the utility, the charges are very less. But if it is in marketing, it would be 70 to 80 paisa. So I'm coming back to my manage templates, creating the templates. So here we have to select default marketing template, then click on next. And here we have to define some name. So once we define any name, we can enter the type of variable. So we can also define like we want to send the messages by their name. So we can define like dear or Mr. ABC and so on. And then our message came. So we can put our text message over here. We can do the formatting like bold, italic, or we can assign the variable from here. We can also assign buttons like visit our website, call on WhatsApp, call phone number, complete flow, and any offer code we want to serve. So all all dynamic buttons will be available in this format. We can also attach media files such as image and the videos. Once we done that, we will click over here to review. It will get reviewed within 24 hours. That is maximum, but it takes around 1 or 2 hours. It get approved. So once it get approved, we can see over here like approved or the pending. Once it is get approved, we will come over here to send the messages. It's very easy. We have to select the devices from here, select our template from here, and then here we have one image. So that image we have to select from here. It must be saved in your computer, and we can also schedule this one in the background because it is a cloud based. So messages can send any particular time, maybe in the night or daytime. Even you can sign out from this, it will be sent from the background because it is cloud based. From here you can simply copy paste the list from the Excel or any other source. It must be include the country code. In India it is 91, so we have to so we need to just copy and paste over here. So we can also select the groups from our contact list we have created. After doing this, we have to click on the send message. So your message will be fired. If it is 10,000, it takes around 5 minutes to deliver. We have so many other options as well. Like we can see the reports over here. We can set the greetings for anniversaries and the birthdays. It is completely automation. There is nothing to do from your side. It will be sent automatically on these particular dates. We can also define auto responses, and we have a lot of options which we can discuss later on in the demo. So this is a quick video how you can use our API for sending the bulk messages without getting banned. So if you want a demo or want quotation from our site, you can contact us. I am giving my email ID and the WhatsApp number, so you can chat with me, you can call with me, and get the demo. Thanks for watching. Follow for such wonderful videos. Thank you, friends.